What is up, YouTube? Today I'll be showing you guys a quick before and after sound clip on Carven's new Catback exhaust system for the 5th gen Rams. But before I do that, definitely hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and give Carven Exhaust a follow on Instagram. Let's get to it. So there it is, guys. Carven's Catback exhaust system for the 5th gen Rams. Excuse the shirt. Just got done installing it. Installation wasn't too bad. I give it a 2 out of 5. It was pretty straightforward, easy stuff. Definitely let me know in the comments below how you like the exhaust itself, and definitely stay tuned for the next video. I am thinking of putting cold air intake. Also, let me know what you guys recommend down below. Let me know what you guys think. Volant, AFE, K&N. I was also looking into the Ram, so definitely let me know. Other than that, remember to subscribe and like this video. Take it easy, you guys.